watch my truck video and my bath toy video, go down, write behind this one world, and you'll find my videos. And if you want this toy, there's a discount. If you check below, there's a discount and you can have the discount. So let's get started opening the box. So guys, we have all this came from the box. So I'm gonna show you. So this is a dinosaur transport. This is a dinosaur capture car. And then we got a car, and we have a gun, and then you could kill the dinosaurs. And then we got a helicopter. And if you guys I don't know what this is. I won't tell you the name because I don't know what it is. So we'll figure out it next time. We got a stegosaurus, and then a T-Rex, then a cage to capture the dinosaurs, and then we got things to put inside the truck. And then we got some stickers, and that's it. So, okay guys, so this is a claw to capture the dinosaurs like this. And then you pull both sides. Voila! Look at this! So you can pull it up, you can bend it, you can turn it,